Alright, so welcome to How to Dyno, and in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste custom emotes. This method should also work for animated emotes as well. To get started, let's click on our emoji selection and find your custom emote. We're going to go ahead and then use the back arrow to move our cursor towards the beginning of the message or in front of the actual emote. Next up, hit the / and hit enter. We are now left with the emote ID as well as the emote name. Now all you have to do is go ahead and copy the string. So we're going to copy and paste it into whatever module suits your needs. So whether this be autoresponder or custom commands or the message embedder, specifically the embed description, this method should work for those use cases. So I'm going to go ahead and demo some. First example you're going to see is a test of the message embedder. As you can see, all I did was just copy the string and paste it as the description for the message. We're also going to go ahead and test it with custom commands. Now all I'm going to do is run test, which is what I have it named as. And as you can see, our emote is there. If we go ahead and run cc show heads, as you can see, it's the same string up here, just pasted. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.